Ashiv Bhate and welcome to my YouTube channel Grass Chemistry. Today's topic is carbanion. Carbanion, it is also called as carboanion. Anion means negatively charged species. If the negative charge is present on the carbon atom, then it is known as carbanion or carboanion. It is represented by if carbon is having negative charge या फिर आप कह सकते हो कि कार्बन जो है वो उसके पास 4 बॉन्ड्स ऑलरेडी उसने फॉर्म किए हैं along with this it's having 8 इलेक्ट्रॉन in its octet उसे हम कहेंगे 8 इलेक्ट्रॉन उसके ऑक्टेट में रहेंगे यानी ऑक्टेट कंप्लीट हो रहा है दैट मींस its valence shell that is outermost shell consists of 8 electrons hence its octet is complete and carbanion is a species with a negatively charged carbon atom having complete octet in its valence shell उसके outermost orbit में almost how much electrons are there 8 electrons are there and hence its octet is complete carbanion या फिर carbanion formed due to heterolytic fission how it is formed carbanion or carbanion is formed due to heterolytic fission for example if I am writing here methane means CH4 if the CH bond breaks heterolytically what happened ये जो CH bond है ये अगर break हुआ तो क्या होगा this bond breaks heterolytically hetero means different electronegativity if difference between the electronegativity between carbon and hydrogen then this hydrogen will remove and what will form here methyl along with these two electrons will move towards the carbon as carbon is more electronegative than hydrogen then this will remove as H plus and negative charge will appear on carbon hence if carbon consists of negative charge then it is known as carboanion या फिर carbanion and if you see here 8 electrons are present 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 hence this species is known as carboanion this is methyl carboanion okay so this is methyl carbanion या फिर methyl why this is methyl due to presence of CH3 and on CH3 there is one negative charge along with 8 electrons hence this is methyl carbanion it is formed due to heterolytic this is formed due to heterolytic fission what is heterolytic fission the fission which takes place due to the electronegativity difference and the more electronegative atom will acquire all the electrons of bonds towards itself and will acquire negative charge on it and other atom will remove as positive such type of fission or breaking of bond is known as heterolytic fission next point is carbanion are very unstable and highly reactive as they are unstable they are highly reactive why they are unstable because they have excess of negative charge on it and hence they are unstable they get stabilized by decreasing the negative charge if we see the stability of the carbanion the methyl carbanion will be more stable than primary secondary and tertiary why such happening here because this is methyl carbanion ठीक है यहाँ पर सभी हाइड्रोजन प्रेजेंट है इसलिए ये मोर स्टेबल है एंड प्राइमरी कार्बेनियन मींस इसके पास इलेक्ट्रॉन्स है along with this one alkyl group is there alkyl groups जो होते हैं ये जब अटैच होते हैं तो ये इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनेटिंग ग्रुप होते हैं ठीक है या फिर नेगेटिव चार्ज इंक्रीजिंग ग्रुप होते हैं तो ड्यू टू दिस प्रेजेंस ऑफ अल्किल ग्रुप इसकी अनस्टेबिलिटी भी क्या हो जाती है बढ़ जाती है सो प्राइमरी में एक अल्किल ग्रुप है इसलिए ये ज्यादा अनस्टेबल रहेगा यहाँ पर एक भी अल्किल ग्रुप नहीं है इसलिए दिस इज मोर स्टेबल देन प्राइमरी एंड सेकेंडरी में क्या रहेगा टू अल्किल ग्रुप्स CH3, CH3 and H. This is secondary carbanion. Okay, and in case of tertiary, 3 alkyl groups will present there. Okay, so this will be tertiary type of carbanion, which is more unstable due to electron donating alkyl groups as present there, and hence that will be more unstable. They are formed as intermediate in many organic reaction. ये जो कार्बन होते हैं ये बहुत सारे केमिकल रिएक्शन में एज इंटरमीडिएट प्रोडक्ट और कंपाउंड फॉर्म होते हैं. The carbon in carbon ion is sp3 hybridized. ये जो कार्बन होता है ये क्या होता है? sp3 hybridized, that means tetrahedral geometry. sp3 hybridized क्यों होता है? All single bonds are present here in carbon ion and hence it shows sp3 type of hybridization. sp3 means एक S और 3 P ऑर्बिटल्स, इसलिए ये sp3 और सभी सिंगल बॉन्ड्स यहाँ पर प्रेजेंट रहते हैं and hence it shows sp3 type of hybridization where geometry will be tetrahedral structure. If you see the geometry of tetrahedral compound, it will be like this. So this is tetrahedral geometry. So carbanion is negatively charged species and containing 8 electrons along with negative charge. Thank you.